My name is Dr. Errol Gluck. I'm an executive life coach and clinical hypnotist practicing in the New York area for over 37 years. When people hear the word depression, their mind takes them to someone who cannot get out of bed, someone who's hospitalized or on serious medication. But depression is something that affects a great deal of people who are functioning, who are going to work every day, but they are simply not functioning at their optimal. Clinical hypnosis combined with rational cognitive coaching not only changes the way a person perceives things, but can change the way the brain functions, so that the brain is actually rewiring itself so that the body is thinking clearly, thinking positively, and thus experiencing life more joyously. Hypnosis can and does change lives. You do not have to be laying in bed in order to feel better.